Hi, this is David. I'm here with Isaac here. We're trying to present our new listing, 286 Birch Creek Drive in Pleasanton, in the heart of Pleasanton, downtown living. Isaac, tell me about this property a little bit.
David, this property features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, right in the prime location of Pleasanton, California. From shopping, downtown entertainment, and downtown dining, it doesn't get better than this. Whether you're looking to downsize from a bigger size home or get into a property after you've been renting the last couple of years, this property has a little bit of everything for everyone.
Wow, you said it all. The best thing to do, let's check this out together. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour at 286 Birch Creek Drive in Pleasanton, California. If you have any questions regarding this property, you can contact me and Isaac at the numbers below via text, email, or a quick phone call. Like always in all our videos, catch you on the next one.